Uber? I'm not your Uber anymore. Just kidding.
But if you do it on hard mode, you get 1,500 doohickey thingies.
Ooh, it does pay good.
Eh, it's fine. We'll do it. There's 3 of us this time.
Money.
Money.
It's
Money.
money.
It's about the match. It's not about the mitts, Spider-Man. It's about the money. Let's go, money. Come on, money. I'm actually drinking water for once, as you can see.
You!
I know, gross, right?
Bro, gotta get your roommate.
Yeah, I gotta get going.
Shut up.
Ross, we're going to. Oh, Ross.
Just dial. Yeah, don't worry
Okay,
about
there
that.
we go.
Five Guys, burgers and fries right there.
Five Guys! More specifically, 5 Nazis.
I
Someone
can't
back.
I can't. Well, hello there.
It's about a ball, Jacob!
Oh,
What are we supposed to do here?
hear me out, Jacob. You distract the tank while Chris revives me.
Hello there.
Okay, vice versa.
Wait for him to fire.
I'll patch you.
Hey, wait for him to fire.
No! He said I revived you! For the surprise.
There's
Damn.
a grenade person launcher.
It wasn't a
thingy.
grenade.
I mean, it could count as a grenade.
It's a tank.
Maybe.
Grenade, go! No!
I was... Why didn't it let me shoot?
I have an idea.
How
What's
about
your
Jacob
idea?
also
Run it
be an
back.
assault?
Run it back.
Hear me out. We all go as assaults.
We all go as assault?
We
Well,
just
then we're just gonna
throw
play it
salt.
really-
Throw our pocket salt at them.
Yes, I'm gonna throw my pocket salt at them.
Who should I go with?
Your mom.
Steam Q-Air 1-5.
Stim
I think you tried to say something, but you gave up partway.
Steam Q-Air.
What kind of laugh?
I'm gonna fuck you in the air.
Here we go.
He's thinking.
I gotta spec out my. No, I don't.
You ain't got nothing unlocked.
No, I don't. I don't know.
Let's do this.
Take my big iron. Oh,
Take my big Willie.
just like the Drake video.
Wait, is he here?
Who is it? Where? I see him. He's in the window.
I think
Here,
we're
I
talking
got
about a
this.
tank
I got
first.
this.
You think he's dead now?
Aaron, let me go check. Breach it, clear.
Actually, no, you're probably good.
Christian, I'm not reviving you.
No,
Where is he?
I don't think there is a tank. I think it's just an artillery piece.
Yeah, maybe.
Artillery?
You'll see it in a second.
Oh no. Grayson, did you actually do it? The intel.
Oh no!
Jacob, you are gonna
Wait a minute.
fucking hate this.
Me personally, I like mild sauce because it's got that taste, but it's also got a little
Well,
bit of spiciness to it.
If
me,
It's on
I want
hard.
the sauce
We are
to taste like
absolutely
piss.
fucked. Jacob, there's guys over that way. Be careful.
No, I'll be
Five
one of
Guys.
those. It
I
happens.
can't get in that building.
Sorry.
Flamethrower! Wait, can I get inside this building? Let me in. I'm in.
Amen, brother.
Okay, it's on medium now, and yes, it was on hard, Jacob.
Okay, that makes sense on why that guy ate my fucking bullets.
He was hungry, okay?
Oh, he's in the bush.
Hey, get back here! Welcome to London! There's a guy on me, Jacob. You're not gonna get me.
Damn.
Tragic, honestly tragic.
Jacob, completely welcome to London on their asses. And a hatchet will not
There's a
do.
wall here.
We will build a great wall.
No way they actually
Help me.
didn't get it. What are they
Help me.
doing?
I'm right behind you. Help me. I'm literally right here, Jacob.
What?
Why is my beacon just rocking back and forth?
It's digga 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 digga.
Bro's getting sturdy with it. Uh-oh. Oh, he's getting closer. Don't do it. Don't do it.
5 ID, and then there's a random roadcast.
No, that's Sid.
Oh, plane!
How fly?
We're being shot at.
Yeah, shooting.
I think we died.
No.
Help me! Help me!
I'm coming, even though you should not be alive.
Oh, I found the perfect hiding spot, Jacob. Jacob, look to your left.
Hold on.
Jacob, what are you doing? Jacob, look forward.
You good?
Jacob.
There, Grayson? Oh, hey, oh.
We're talking about it.
Das ist Tuba! Das ist Tuba, Mann.
Jacob.
Das ist Bilder.
So hard to build a house, yeah. Calvary.
Ow!
Oh, hello. How
I
you
made it
doing?
over the wall.
Okay, Mexican. I'm gonna just sit here and like
Jacob,
heal
you're
you.
walking
the
all
entire
over my
time.
body.
I
You're
am?
walking all over my body.
Howdy.
You want to build the best trench ever? We gotta build this.
The tunnel to China. I'll get this side.
Gotta do that work. Gotta do that
How
work.
did it work? It's a Haburn. Or anything to build over here. Oh, okay.
What'd you say?
Uber? I'm not your Uber anymore. Just get it. Push forward. Push forward and oh. Don't push forward.
Battlefield moments, but you throw up because you laugh so much. Battlefield moments, but you laugh too much.
No.
Battlefield moments, but you shut the fuck up.
Oh, I'm not getting this one.
I can't get on this side.
He didn't even open the door on my screen. He just hovered through.
Don't worry about it. It's a medical condition. They only work so hard to build a little house.
Okay, he's dead.
Look what I build. Look what I'm building.
Hold on, I'm occupied. Oh. Ah. We can. This is easy
We
mode,
can
by the
do
way.
it.
Do you see what we were talking about? How this was scary, Jacob?
It's not too scary. It's just scary.
You don't like British people, huh?
No.
30 seconds better cover.
Come on.
There's supply drop.
Oh.
Ow.
That's not good.
Gotta reload.
Flamethrower.
He's dead. He's dead. I think.
Heal. Yes.
Yes.
God, that was horrible.
Guys, it's really about the friends we made along the way.
No. You can't get me, loser. Godspeed.
God save the queen.
Just
Sit
stand
up.
up. Oh! Wait, there's a slow mover?
Yeah, he's on the bridge.
Where?
On the bridge.
The Baba Booey. That doesn't sound good.
What is that?
Well, I don't see anything, so it's probably alright. I do hear, the Germans. Found it.
On what?
Oh!
Oh man. Wait, does that mean he's gonna explode? It's the statue of librarian.
Left?
No longer left. Oh man, they're flooding in.
There's a few.
They're flooding.
Get back here. Extraction team will be here soon. Oh, he better be.
Oh, wave of zombies. Why not?
Hit the car 98 one shots like anyway. So that's really good. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's a tank or just an artillery piece. It's a tank. Keep building. If they can't do anything if we keep building. Artillery!
Like
Wait,
to
I can
mention-
call in a V1 rocket. I call it in. Run! Run!
You need to run.
It's gonna kill me! Well, Jacob, it was an honor.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
What the fuck? What? Italian restaurant? This is Italian? Amore? Pizzeria?
Lucky fella.
Can I take your order, sir?
What the fuck are you?
Stars make it blue just like pasta fazool, that's amore. That's amore. When you dance down the street with the cloud at your feet, you're in love.